How to download Penligent for Kali Linux. No installs, just download steps. This video is educational. Do all tests only in an isolated lab and with permission. Penligent is an AI-driven penetration testing platform that automates reconnaissance, vulnerability validation, and report generation to help security teams find and fix issues faster. Open a browser in your Kali VM and go to penligent.ai. Click Download or Docs. The vendor provides a Kali package or agent depending on your plan.